Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Dome, and today I have a recipe here for a hair mask. It is very simple. It is with aloe vera, which is very good for split ends and dry hair, also good for the scalp if you have any dandruff or itchy dry scalp. And it definitely revitalizes the hair. Very good for split ends, and it allows the hair to become moisturized and thickens the hair, makes it soft and shiny, and it's everything that is good to apply to it and make it strong and healthy. So we have an aloe vera plant here that I'm gonna chop up. We have here some essential oil, and this is cinnamon, which is good for blood flow and also for increasing hair growth, and also coconut oil, and this is extra virgin unrefined coconut oil, which is good because it contains all the vitamins and minerals in here, and it will be better for your hair. And I'm gonna put this in the, when it's time to melt, I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for literally 5 seconds just to get it loosened up and not overheat it, so we can pour it into the mask. And I also have here some extra virgin olive oil, and these oils are going to be great for building the proteins in the hair and allowing it to become smooth and shiny. And so let's get started. I'm just going to chop this up and show you what I'm going to do with the aloe vera plant. So there's a smell that the aloe vera plant has, kind of like a BO type of smell. I don't know how to explain it, but when I add the cinnamon oil, it definitely goes away. So, and that's exactly why I wanna be able to show you guys this, because this recipe is very good, and at the same time it cuts out that heavy smell that the aloe vera plant has, and it'll make it easier for you to apply for a longer amount of time, and you can do other things, go out, while you have this in your hair, because it works as a gel. Just gonna add this to a container. Alright guys, so the key here is to remove the fiber from the gel, and for that you would have to pour it into a blender. You can use a hand blender, or you can just pop it in here. And I have a Nutri-Bullet here, and I'm just gonna pop it in there and blend it for a little bit until it's fully incorporated. All right. So once you have this blended, you're gonna use a strainer, and you're just gonna drain the liquid. You don't want it to blend for too long because you don't want the air to be incorporated. You want this to be as smooth as possible, and you don't want any air bubbles to form within the final product. So you want to contain that by just breaking it apart and not over blending. Alright guys, so I've already did everything with the gel and extracted it, you know, and then I ended up sifting it, and this is what I have. And this is about 2 cups of gel, of aloe vera gel. And I've also gone ahead and popped the oil in the microwave briefly so it could melt a little bit. And it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna put these together and mix them. I'm gonna be using the same container that I blended it in, because I want to make sure that it's deep enough for me to stir. Just gonna add this in here, and as you can see, it's very thick and gel-like, but there is no residue of any fiber in there. It's just straight up gel. And the reason why I do this is because you don't want the little bits and pieces to be left in your hair once you wash it out. So very simple. I'm just gonna add the oils in here, and this is 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, it's gonna give this a nice stir, and I'm going to add the essential oil at the very end. I'm gonna bring out the blender again, and I'm gonna give it a quick stir, and there won't be any problems. So I'm using a deeper container to add it all up. And I'm going to add my essential oil to this and stir lightly. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. The consistency that I want, and all the oils are incorporated in there. Everything is well combined, and you can apply this to your hair. And one thing that I want to go over is to store this. I usually store this in a glass container. Alright guys, so I usually save this in a glass jar, and I will put it in the fridge and have it be there for a good week to 2 weeks, and I can just reapply this every time I'm going to wash my hair. So I apply it 30 minutes before washing my hair on that day, or I could also do it overnight, and that will be a lot better because you have a chance for the oils to be absorbed into your scalp and your hair, and it'll be better for you in that way. But 30 minutes is perfectly fine. I'm gonna go and add this to my hair now and see how everything works. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It is very simple to do, and like I said, you can store this for up to 2 weeks in the fridge and reuse it whenever you feel like it, and make it again, apply once a week, and your hair will always be shiny and healthy, and will have all the vitamins and minerals it needs for it to grow strong. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification box below so you can see more of my other videos and recipes that I post in this channel. And I will also like for you to follow my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook accounts, and also check my website, where I post tons of information, nutritional information, and also podcasts that I do on topics that are very informative and very, very educational. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Marvelous.